Foundation level. Objective 4. Point 4.1. K2. Explain error guessing. First question. Which of the following best describes the concept behind error guessing? A. Error guessing involves using your knowledge and experience of defects found in the past and typical errors made by developers. This is correct. The idea behind error guessing is that, based on the tester's experience, they try to guess what errors the developer might have made and what defects might be in the test object. B. Error guessing involves using your personal experience of development and the errors you made as a developer. Development experience is not necessary to perform error guessing, but it would be a plus. C. Error guessing requires you to imagine that you are the user of the test object and to guess errors the user could make interacting with it. Error guessing is not only about guessing how the user might interact with the test object. D. Error guessing requires you to rapidly duplicate the development task to identify the sort of errors a developer might make. Duplicating a development task is not a practical solution. This is not error guessing. Correct answer is A. Second question. Consider the following list. Correct input not accepted. Incorrect input accepted. Wrong output format. Division by zero. What test technique is most probably used by the tester who uses this list when performing testing? Well, we use lists when we perform checklist-based testing or fault attacks. Checklist-based testing uses a list of test conditions. Fault attacks is a structured way to perform error guessing. Structured here means we use some sort of formatted input, which in fault attacks is a list of errors, defects, or failures. Our list is a mix of errors and failures, so the answer should be fault attack. A. Exploratory testing. It would be correct if we don't see error guessing or fault attacks in the answer options, so we should wait on this one. B. Fault attack. Here it is. The correct answer is B. Third question. Which of the following is not anticipated by the tester while applying error guessing? Notice the not. A. The developer misunderstood the formula in the user story for calculating the interest. This is an example of the tester guessing where the developer might make a mistake or an error. B. The developer wrote FA equals A times 1 plus IR to the power of N instead of FA equals A times 1 plus IR to the power of N in the source code. This is also an example of the tester guessing where the developer might make a typo, causing a defect in the code. C. The developer missed the seminar on new compound interest rate legislation. This is an example of a potential root cause of a defect. We don't guess root causes, so this is not correct. The correct answer is C. D. The accuracy of the interest calculated by the system is not precise enough. This is an example of guessing a failure. The correct answer is C.